Now it started. Yes. So basically, cascading means as you know, in our HTML we have a you can say tree structure is there. Am I right?
Hmm.
Like HTML is the parent of all the you can say page. Am I right? Inside HTML we have a child like header, body. Am I right?
Hmm.
And body also have a child like nav, session, header, semantic tags. Am I right? And maybe semantic tag can contain another tags as well, like table and another. Am I right?
Hmm.
So means if we need to apply means a styling there. Okay. Then there are different way to do that. Either we can go with you can say find a element by the identity and apply the thing, or you can write this styling part inside that only, inside a tag only. Like you use BG color, means in your code you somewhere you used BG color as
Yeah.
attribute.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Hmm.
So BG color is a you can say attribute. What you can do, you can use that in line only, which you are using, which you used. Am I right? Another is you can say rather than doing that means inline, you can mention in a our header as well. Makes
Hmm.
sense with the style tag, and which is you can say okay, we will check. No, I will tell you what is the pros and cons of these things. Okay,
Hmm.
and next, if let's say you wanna next is external style sheet. Means you will create a different file with a CSS extension, and which you can means from there you can import whole file. Okay, as
Hmm.
a style sheet, and then you can use in that folder. Okay. Oh, sorry, file your HTML file for
Hmm.
styling. So
Yeah.
these are the three ways. Okay. And to communicate this thing, we will learn how to organize the thing. Okay.
Hmm.
So basically, the purpose of this to give a you can say consistent styling throughout your this uh, web or website or app. Okay.
Hmm.
So that you have a better control tomorrow. If your client will say, "Hey, Shad, means could you may change the color of my website, background color or header color?" Okay,
Hmm.
and if you have mentioned in inline, assume you mentioned everything inline. Makes sense. In each and every means the tag you have their own definition of styling. Makes sense.
Hmm.
Then what happened? Is this easy for you to change or is hard for you to change?
Hard.
Okay, let's say we will take a next example, and now we will rather than inline we will go for internal, where each now earlier each child is responsible for its own life and another thing. Now we will move this responsibility to parent. Makes sense.
Hmm.
Means to parent, parent can parent can do this. So now if let's say in a you can say in a house we have a joint family, assume. Okay,
Hmm.
we have a joint family and means including siblings and you can say cousin, brother and sister. We are only means, 20 plus members are there, each have a family. Okay,
Hmm.
now family have a leader. Now we shifted the responsibility of styling to the leader or family itself. Am I right?
Hmm.
But Still, if you want to change, how many times you need to change? If 20 families are there
20
in 20
times.
pages, 20 times. It is flexible, or is you mean still it's useful for you?
No.
Okay, and another one is we have different families, different things, but control is from one place, is your grandfather. Makes sense.
Hmm.
So which one is easy?
Grandfather.
So yes, so that code means you can say external file.
Hmm.
So whomever require that, we just means approach to grandfather and get the thing. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, go ahead.
It is used to control the visual appearance of HTML elements such as color, layout, fonts, and spacing. Okay. Close multiple pages. So yeah, CSS is used for like to like enhance the HTML, right? With these ones,
Beautiful. In short, beautification.
beautification. Yep.
Beautification of your posture, for beautification of your posture for yes, posture, your way of talking, way of walking, everything.
Hmm.
Makes sense.
Yep.
Clothing and everything. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, what you understand from responsive design?
Responsive design means like it's gonna look like it's more responsive.
You are just reading and telling me. Is responsive? Responsive?
No.
I need to know what you understand from this.
Let's say there are buttons which has more colors, more attracting, then it might say more responsive.
No, man. Responsive means, let's say I'm asking something from you, okay,
Hmm.
and you are responding to me. Makes
Hmm.
sense. And in this website, what is the meaning of responsive? Let's say you are opening your website on a TV, 64-inch TV. Okay.
Hmm.
Then it will expand and it will not means weird, look weird. Makes sense. Okay.
Hmm.
And if you are opening same website on a mobile, it will automatically adjust. Yes.
Hmm.
That's called responsiveness.
Okay.
Okay. As
Hmm.
per the, you can say contrast, as per the, you can say, uh, means the environment, it will adapt the environment and change accordingly. That's called responsiveness. Responsive.
Design.
Okay.
Yes.
Understand what you understand from layout,
Layout, the way the page gonna look like
aligned.
aligned.
It's
Yep.
aligned horizontally, vertically. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Okay. Go ahead.
Browser loads HTML. CSS rules are applied by the renders style web page. Okay.
Okay.
What this inline do?
As we discussed inline,
Hmm.
your child is responsible for his or her own styling.
Hmm. So this one is like directly changing itself.
Yes, means he or she is responsible for his styling
Hmm.
or for his or her life. They are responsible for their own life. Okay,
Hmm.
means parents are not responsible in that case. Okay,
So
go.
basically, I know what's inline says as you're trying to explain. I get that part, but in a web page, let's say, there is something written.
Yes, you can check your code. You already written that in line.
Hmm.
You use in a this you can say tag somewhere you used I think so BG color.
Yeah.
Then that's a CSS because you are using a color there,
Hmm.
and this is a BG color is attribute.
Okay.
Okay, like you can use height and weight for image. You used earlier height and weight. Those are attributes, but it's also part of CSS. Ultimately, whatever you can apply, then you can take that from abstract that attribute and apply from external style sheet as well.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, go ahead. Yes, this is a internal one
So
inline.
color red. This is the style, right? We are
Yes, yes, yes. And
so
you can apply multiple things like inside a style.
hmm.
Right now they will give a color. Apart from color, you can apply background color, font, lot of things you can apply inside that
Hmm.
with a comma separated thing.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yep.
okay.
Quick testing, small styling changes. Not recommended for large projects because it's gonna be tough to write each one, right?
Yes,
In the header, internal is written.
yes. Like right now, as I told you in an example, means child is doing uh, enough things style, but when you move this responsibility to parent, then header will maintaining this.
Hmm.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Color blue style. So where's the header?
Header is a HTML header.
Hmm. No, like we were
You need
saying.
to mention with your this uh, title tag. You need to mention the style tag. That's it.
That's it.
Inside style, yes, inside style, whatever style you want to apply, you can apply. So, but you need to understand these terms, which we will understand in the next chapter. We will learn. Like right now, let me explain you. Right now, you used p tag. Am I right?
Hmm.
And you want to apply color blue for p tag. So in this manner, if you write that, you are saying, hey, wherever you will able get this p, it's a p tag. There you will apply this styling for me, please.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Single page styling, small websites.
Let's say you have a single page, a
Hmm.
small website, so you can go with this. But if you have a multiple pages, am I right?
Hmm.
And your website is large, then it's not a good practice. You will go with it. Okay,
Yep.
as I gave you example.
Yeah, for the grandparent.
Yes.
Uses a separate .css file linked to HTML. Okay, what is this?
Okay.
Mm, it uses a separate file.
Yes.
Okay.
Separate file. Grandparent may be living into another house, but you can call them, call him or her. Am I right?
Mm, okay. External link real style sheet href. So there will be an extra file name style.css.
Yes.
And what is this? Link real style sheet.
What kind of relationship is this? You're
Okay.
telling them.
It's always gonna be style sheet.
Yes, for styling style sheet.
Okay. And we're gonna say one file named style.css.
You can use any name.
Any
It's
name?
your call. You can use my name. You can use your name. Okay. But because it's means donating for style, so it's name should be meaningful. That's it.
Mhm. Okay. Style p30. Reusable styles, easier maintenance, cleaner HTML code, better performance for large websites. Easier
Because
maintenance.
yes, go ahead, please.
Yeah, easier maintenance. What does it mean?
That's you need to change. That's a color or font style or anything
Hmm.
because you have a control on a centralized location.
Hmm.
You don't need to go here and there. Just you need to go to your that file or a style file or folder, and you need to change from there. That's it. That's it. Easy maintenance.
Hmm.
Otherwise, if you go with the inline or this internal, you need to for child you need to take care change everywhere. Am I right?
Yes.
Do by mistake if you miss any child, then it's problem for you. Makes sense.
Yep.
And if you go with the internal one, then you need to maintain multiple internal means parents. Okay, which is also problematic, isn't it?
Yes.
But if you have a centralized control, you need to change at one place and you're good to go. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Inline style. Okay. Create the HTML page with inline CSS styling for heading.
H1 heading.
Add internal CSS to style paragraph and background color. Create external CSS file and apply styles to multiple elements. Okay, what about this one? I understood this and this.
Okay. If you understand, try to do that.
No, I didn't understand this one.
Create a, okay, do one thing. Whatever PPT they will told you in a example, they okay. Okay, go back in a PPT. Okay, okay. Let me share my screen with you. When you are able to see my screen, let me know.
Yes.
So I'm just opening a VS Code. Mm, not clone that. Let me clone the repo. Okay, so I will clone. That's not an issue. Let me do that. Let's say we create a one file. So this file. So index dot html. Okay. And here we can say file. Okay. One can be that's it is one. Okay. Next file is equal to color that color that. Okay. This is
Mm.
inline. Okay.
Mm.
And another is let's say this style tag key and color green. Okay. Type key um, with the styling reference. Okay. Let's save this. Now let's run this. No, when I not put anything, that's why you're not able to change. Change. Make sense?
So hello from HTML is the what can I see which one?
This is inline because you were mentioning, and
Hmm.
this is a internal. You can see inline.
Inline, yep.
This is a internal.
Yes, this is internal. Okay.
Okay, let's move to this to a file, different file. Let's create a new file. You can say
This
uh,
external.
style style dot css. Okay, and let me move this code there. Okay, and there no need to do this styling. Make sense?
Hmm.
So now we will move the responsibility to external file that we need to import. So link the or relationship is going to link and that's the style.csv or you can do this as well. So yeah, okay, now make sense.
It's the same.
Means, but right now it's referring now this styling referring from external. Let me change this color to let's say this. Let me apply. Let's say change this color to you can see your purple. Make sense?
Hmm.
Now it's change. It's changed. Understood?
So why only the internal changed?
Internal change. Now there is no internal man. Now it's become external.
Hmm. External.
It's controlling from file.
Yeah.
So that's called external.
Oh, you removed the style that command, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Now it's moved to this file.
So if you had written style that line there again, what would have been doing?
Let's say if let's say you will write here style, okay,
Hmm.
and then the style you will mention this, let's say body, okay.
Hmm.
So let's say you will mention this P, and there you want my color is you can say blue,
Hmm.
okay.
Now what?
So what happened because you are first you are doing this, after that you are attaching a style, so it will get a chance to execute, okay.
Hmm.
Let's say we will change the order. Make sense?
Hmm.
So now you can see,
Oh yeah, now it's blue.
okay.
Hmm.
And let's say even though we will apply a tiling on this, but it's near to this. Makes sense.
Hmm.
So let me tell you what I'm trying to say. Let's say here we will say H1. Okay. Color is red. Color is you can say yellow. Okay.
Hmm.
But you can say is available here only. So there is no mean of external styling. There is no mean of internal styling.
Hmm.
Make sense for you or not?
Yeah.
You can see.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
You understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you means I showed you whatever we discussed. I showed you everything how
Hmm.
things are worked. Am I right? In an
Hmm.
internal, external. So let's say you want to apply a thing. Let's say in background as well or BG color or background. Background color is you can say let's say black.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then we're able to see
Oh,
just apply the black color.
yeah.
Now you understand. It's an
Yeah.
interesting thing. You are able to see the output immediately.
It's
Okay, now let's move to this in an external side so that it looks clean. Am I right?
Hmm.
Looks clean and look better performance. But you will ask me, hey Deepak, even though externally the better, why you teach me these three concepts? You tell me
Mhm.
why I teach you all these three concepts.
Three concepts are like required in different scenarios. Like if we are doing some short projects, the inline and extra internal is good. But whenever we are doing a big project, then 100% we need the external.
No, one thing I require, we require correction in your statement.
Hmm.
Like when you just check the styling on a particular element, particular tag, makes sense. Then you go with the inline so that you can immediately check the impact there.
Hmm.
Makes sense. But when you're going for means website, either it's a one page or two page, you don't go with the inline. Makes sense.
Yes.
Because you are giving a control to each and every component by own, which is tedious for you if you need to change something.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
So best practice is this: you will create a separate file.
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now you have assignment, and now you have some tools, beautification tools. You can beautify your structure. You can give some styling to your table, rows, and things. And I will appreciate if you will give some beautification to your existing work.
Yep.
Okay. Or anything else which you
Uh,
need?
no, I just wanted to ask you.
Hold on.